Welcome to the competition era, where businesses are constantly looking for ways to stay ahead. I'm your host, and today we're going to explore how to use AI to dominate the competition and achieve business success. Just a quick note, results can vary depending on how you use this, so treat it as education, not a guarantee.
That's right, with the rise of AI, businesses can now automate tasks, analyze data, and make informed decisions faster than ever before. But, with so many AI tools available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start.
So, let's start with the basics. What is AI, and how can it be used in business? AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making.
That's right, and AI can be applied to a wide range of business areas, such as customer service, marketing, sales, and operations. For example, chatbots can be used to provide 24/7 customer support, while machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze customer data and personalize marketing campaigns.
Now, let's talk about the benefits of using AI in business. With AI, businesses can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve decision-making. For example, AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up staff to focus on higher-value tasks.
That's right, and AI can also help businesses to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. For example, AI-powered tools can be used to analyze market trends, identify new business opportunities, and develop new products and services.
But, with so many AI tools available, it can be challenging to know which ones to use. That's why it's essential to have a clear understanding of your business goals and objectives before selecting an AI tool.
That's right, and it's also important to consider the potential risks and challenges associated with AI adoption. For example, AI systems can be biased, and AI-powered tools can be vulnerable to cyber attacks.
So, how can businesses overcome these challenges and ensure successful AI adoption? One approach is to start small, with a pilot project or proof of concept, to test the waters and build momentum.
That's right, and it's also essential to have a clear change management strategy in place, to ensure that employees are prepared for the changes that AI will bring. This can include training and upskilling programs, as well as effective communication and stakeholder engagement.
Now, let's talk about some of the most popular AI tools for business. These include machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and computer vision. We'll explore each of these in more detail, and discuss how they can be applied to real-world business problems.
That's right, and we'll also discuss some of the most common AI applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and predictive analytics. We'll explore how these can be used to improve customer service, enhance customer experience, and drive business growth.
But, before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. What are the key trends and drivers shaping the AI landscape, and how will these impact businesses in the future?
That's right, and one of the key trends is the increasing use of cloud-based AI services, which are making it easier and more affordable for businesses to access AI capabilities. We'll explore how these services are changing the game, and what opportunities they present for businesses.
Now, let's talk about the role of data in AI. Data is the fuel that powers AI systems, and high-quality data is essential for accurate and reliable results. We'll discuss how businesses can ensure that their data is accurate, complete, and relevant, and how they can use data governance and data management strategies to get the most out of their AI investments.
That's right, and we'll also explore how businesses can use AI to drive innovation and stay ahead of the competition. This can include using AI to identify new business opportunities, develop new products and services, and create new revenue streams.
But, what about the potential risks and challenges associated with AI adoption? We'll discuss how businesses can mitigate these risks, and ensure that their AI systems are secure, transparent, and accountable.
That's right, and we'll also explore how businesses can use AI to improve their social and environmental impact. This can include using AI to reduce energy consumption, improve supply chain management, and enhance customer well-being.
Now, let's summarize the key takeaways from our discussion. We've explored the benefits and challenges of AI adoption, and discussed how businesses can use AI to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and stay ahead of the competition.
That's right, and we've also provided guidance on how businesses can get started with AI, including identifying business goals and objectives, selecting the right AI tools, and ensuring successful AI adoption.
Finally, let's look to the future and explore how AI will continue to shape the business landscape. We'll discuss the potential opportunities and challenges that AI presents, and provide guidance on how businesses can prepare for the AI-driven future.
That's right, and we'll also provide some final thoughts and recommendations for businesses looking to leverage AI for success. This includes staying up to date with the latest AI trends and developments, and being open to new ideas and approaches.
Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AI for business. We hope you've learned something new and valuable, and that you'll be inspired to explore the many opportunities that AI presents. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools for business and making money content. And if you want to dive deeper, you definitely need to watch our video on how to automate your life with AI next. The link is right there in the description. See you in the next one.